The narcissist's obsession with winning at all costs is one of the clearest signs that you are not in a healthy mutual relationship, because real relationships are not competitions. They are spaces of connection, understanding, and growth. And the moment you find yourself consistently trying to defend yourself, explain yourself, or prove yourself, it's worth asking a very important question. Why does this feel like a game? Because once you recognize the dynamic, you have a choice. You can continue playing, or you can step out of the game completely and save yourself. Because the truth is, with a narcissist, this way of interacting with you, this competition will be never ending. The only way to truly win this game is to stop playing the game completely.